Hello scholars, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. Let's start with our chapter division. Okay, I hope the previous video was very clear to you. Now we will see division with remainder. Okay, the first sum I have taken is 4588 divided by 42. This is the, what it is? It is a dividend. This is the divisor. Now to know the division, I should know the table of 42. But that I don't know. So I'll make the table of 42 by 4 ka table and 2 ka table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 nines are 5, 6, 7, 8, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Okay. 2 ka table, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. So 42 ka table, 4 to 42, 8 4, 84, 12 and 6, 126, 16 and 8, 168, 20 and 10. So here I have 2 digits. So what you have to do? 0 as it is and 1 carried over. 20 plus 1, 21. 2 as it is, 25. 4 as it is, 1 carried here, 28 and 29. 6 as it is, 32 plus 1, 33. 8 as it is, 36 and 37. 0 as it is, 40 plus 2 is 42. So here we have the table of 42. Okay, we will start the division. 42 is written where, inside or outside? It's written outside, 42, and this number is written inside. Fine. Now I have to see one digit first. How many times how many times 42 goes into 4? Let's see, we have 4. No, here it will be 4. So zeros are 42 zeros are, as 4 is less than 42, so you have 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. Fine. This 5 I have to bring down. Now how many times 42 goes into 45? See, only 2 units gap, so obviously ones are 42, ones are 42. 5 minus 2 is 3, 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, now this 8 I will carry it down, 8. So I have 38. How many times 42 goes into 38? Let's see. See, 42, so 38 is smaller. So I will have zeros are. 42 zeros are 0. Okay, so 8 minus 0 is 8, 3 minus 0 is 3. Fine. Now I have to bring this 8 down. So my number is 388. How many times 42 goes into 388? Let's see. 42, no? 388. I don't have 388 exactly, but I have the number 378, which is lesser, and 420 will be bigger one. So I will take the lesser number, 378 nines are. Okay. So 42 nines are will give me 378. 8 minus 8, 0, 8 minus 7, 1, 3 minus 3, 0. So 10 is my remainder, okay, and this 109 is my quotient. Fine. Now moving on to the next sum. It is 920 divided by 13. 13 ka table we will have 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ones table is easy. 3 ka table, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Fine. So 13 table, 1 3 13, 2 6 26, 3 9 39. 2 digit here, so 2 as it is, 1 carried over, 5. 5 as it is, 1 carried over, 6. 8 as it is, 1 carried over, 6 plus 1, 7. 1 as it is, 7, 8, 9. 4 as it is, 8 plus 2 is 10, 7 as it is, 9 plus 2 is 11, 0 as it is, 10 plus 3 is 13. So we have 13 table, 13 ones are, 13 six are, okay, 13 ka table. Now we will start the division. 13 will be outside, 920 will be inside, okay. Now first digit I will take, that is 9. How many times 13 goes into 9? See, 13 na, so 9 is smaller, so zeros are, 13 zeros are 0, 9 minus 0 is 9, fine. Now I'll bring this 2 down. Now I have 92. How many times 13 goes into 92? Or you have to see the number which is less than 92, okay. Let's see, 92. I have 91, so this is the better option. So it's 7s are. So 13 7s are 91. So 92 minus 91, 1. Okay. Now this 0 I have to bring it down. Now many students do mistake here. Now it's 10 and it's 13. So how many times 13 goes into 10? 10 is less. It will go 0 times. Okay. So as the digit is brought down, you don't have to forget zeros are. So 13 zeros are 0. 10 minus 0 will give me 10. And now this 10 is my, I can say, is my remainder. Fine. This is not my remainder. This 10 is my remainder. Don't forget to put your 0. So we will have 70 as our quotient. Fine. Okay. Now we will see the table, the next sum, that is 254 divided by 27. So this is the dividend and this is the divisor. So I should know the table of 27 to do the division. Yes. So we will have the 27 ka table. So 2 7 27, 2 ka table. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Okay, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70. Okay. So 27 ka table will be 2 7 27, 4 as it is, 4 plus 1 5, 1 as it is, 6 7 8, 8 as it is, 8 plus 2 is 10, 5 as it is, 10 plus 3 will be 13, 2 as it is, 12 plus 4, 4 5 6 is 16, 9 as it is, 14 plus 4 is 18, 6 as it is, and 21 it will be. Okay. 3 as it is, 18 plus 6 will give me 24, and 0 as it is, 20 plus 7 will give me 27. So here I have the table of 27. Now we will go with the division. 27 I have to write outside and 254 I have to write inside. Okay, now the first digit we will take, the 2. How many times 27 will go into 2? Obviously 0 times. So 0, 2 minus 0 will give me 2. Now 5 I have to carry it down. Now 25 I have. So how many times 27 goes into 25? 25 is less than 27. So obviously it will go 0 times. So 27 zeros are 0. So 5 minus 0 will give me 5. And 2 minus 0 will give me 2. Okay. So now I have to bring this 4 down. So now I have 254. How many times 27 goes into 254 or lesser than 254? Let's check out. 27, 254. See, 243 is there and 270 is there. So this is lesser than 243. Okay, so 9s are 27, 9s are 243. Okay, 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0. So 11. 11 is lesser than 27. Okay, but do I have any number to bring down? No. So my sum is over here. This is the remainder we have. Okay, and this is the quotient. This is the remainder we have. So students, do you know the relation between the dividend, divisor and the remainder? Do you remember that? Yes. So dividend is equal to quotient into divisor, or else you can write divisor into quotient. It's one and the same, plus remainder. Okay. So what's the quotient we have? We have 9, and divisor we have as 27. Okay, plus remainder we have as 11. So let's check out what comes. 27 nines are gives me 243. So 243 plus 11 will be 254, and that's my dividend. So see, I have the dividend as 254. So I have done the calculation right, or the relationship I have justified it. That's it for today. Thank you.